Hey everyone! Welcome back to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pin messages on Facebook Messenger. Just watch this video till the end. Pinning messages in Messenger is a great way to keep important messages at the separate folder, so you don't have to scroll down to find them. You can pin individual messages, or you can pin entire conversations. Pinning messages is especially useful for group and personal conversations, where it can be difficult to keep track of all the messages. By pinning important messages, you can find them on pinned message folder. In this video, I'll show you how to pin messages in Messenger using both the mobile app and the desktop website. I'll also show you how to view pinned messages and unpin them. Most people use mobile phones when using Messenger. So, first let's learn to pin a text message, picture, and video using mobile phone. To pin messages in Messenger on mobile. First, open the Messenger app and tap on the conversation where you want to pin a message. Now, long press the message you want to pin from that conversation. After that, select the pin option from the bottom menu. The message will now be available to the pinned folder. To view pinned messages, tap on info icon from top of the conversation. Now scroll down and tap view pinned messages. You can unpin messages one by one from here. For that, long press on specific message and click unpin from the bottom. Then, how to pin a message on Facebook Messenger using your computer. To pin chat conversation on Messenger, first, go to messenger.com in your desktop web browser and log into your account. Next, locate the content you want to pin in a conversation and hover your cursor over it. After that, click the three dots and select the pin option from the menu. Hope this video was helped you. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment box. Thank you for watching to the end, and see you in the next video.